Here we are at Captain D's.
And the fish is delicious.
Is it country style?
Country style. With
Show us some of those mixed
mixed
vegetables.
vegetables. Very delicious.
Delicious.
And a nice salad.
How healthy.
Yes.
This should be a commercial for Captain.
Oh,
Can you say, good?
really good.
Do you want to say hi to Toby in heaven?
Hello, heaven. Hello, Susan.
That's very good. I wonder what Ricky is eating.
She's probably eating unhealthy okra.
Some fried okra. Can't see it. This is really hard to operate. Corn on the cob. That's a yellow vegetable. Some country style chicken.
Yeah. Country style fish.
Is it fish? Some people are confused. I'm going to say hi to Maple and Casey. Hello, Maple. Well, this is enough for now. You want to see our Captain D's? We usually sit at that table way down there.
We've been on for dark.
Probably so. Say goodbye to heaven and Toby.
Goodbye, heaven. Goodbye, Toby.
Maybe Jennifer too.
Goodbye, Jennifer.
How about Derek?
Goodbye, Derek. And goodbye, Casey and Maple.
All right. Let's hope this works. That was 1 minute and 43 seconds.